Have you ever reached a scenic mountain campsite completely exhausted, only to spend precious time fighting with a bulky stove that feels heavier than it should and takes forever to get going? For backpackers, hikers, and minimalist travelers, every ounce matters, and unreliable gear can quickly turn a great adventure into a frustrating one. Today, we're taking a closer look at the MSR PocketRocket 2, one of the most popular ultralight backpacking stoves on the market. Designed for hikers, backpackers, trekkers, campers, and fast and light adventurers, this stove focuses on portability, simplicity, and reliable cooking performance. Instead of carrying a large cooking system, the PocketRocket 2 aims to give you just enough power and versatility without weighing down your pack. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you'll notice is how incredibly small this stove is. Folded down, it easily disappears into a backpack pocket, cook kit, or storage pouch. In hand, it almost feels surprisingly light, especially for anyone upgrading from larger camping stoves. Despite its compact size, it doesn't feel fragile or disposable. The metal construction gives it a durable, confidence-inspiring feel that seems built to handle years of trail use. The folding pot supports locking into place securely and provides a stable platform for a variety of cookware sizes, which is important when you're cooking on uneven outdoor surfaces. What makes the design particularly appealing is its simplicity. There are no complicated controls, no bulky fuel systems, and no lengthy setup process. Attach the stove to a compatible fuel canister, unfold the supports, ignite it, and you're ready to cook. For outdoor enthusiasts who prioritize efficiency, that straightforward experience can be just as valuable as raw performance. Speaking of performance, the PocketRocket 2 delivers exactly what most backpackers need. One of its biggest strengths is speed. It can bring water to a boil surprisingly quickly, making it ideal for morning coffee, dehydrated meals, instant noodles, or simple camp cooking after a long day on the trail. More importantly, it doesn't feel like a one-trick pony. The flame adjustment allows for more precise cooking than many ultralight competitors. Instead of only blasting maximum heat, you can lower the flame for simmering sauces, soups, or more elaborate trail meals. Another thing that stands out is reliability. There's no priming, pumping, preheating, or complicated preparation required before use. That means less time setting up camp and more time enjoying your surroundings. The stove operates quietly compared to some high-output backpacking stoves, which contributes to a more pleasant outdoor experience, especially during early mornings or peaceful evenings in camp. Maintenance is also refreshingly simple. Since there are very few moving parts, there's not much to clean or maintain beyond normal care. After use, the stove cools down relatively quickly, folds up compactly, and stores easily until your next adventure. For frequent travelers, that simplicity becomes a major advantage over larger, more complex cooking systems. Of course, no stove is perfect. The PocketRocket 2 is clearly designed with weight savings in mind, so it lacks some convenience features found on larger premium models. Wind can impact performance in exposed conditions, meaning a windscreen or sheltered cooking area may sometimes be necessary. It's also best suited for solo hikers or small groups rather than larger family camping setups that require multiple pots and extensive meal preparation. Compared to similarly priced ultralight backpacking stoves, the PocketRocket 2 continues to stand out because of its balance between weight, durability, and performance. Some competitors may offer integrated cooking systems or built-in ignition features, but they often add extra bulk or cost. MSR's approach keeps things simple while still delivering dependable real-world results. That's one reason it remains a favorite among backpackers and mountaineers year after year. Overall, the MSR PocketRocket 2 succeeds because it focuses on what outdoor adventurers actually need: lightweight portability, reliable performance, and hassle-free operation. It won't replace a full camp kitchen, and it's not trying to. Instead, it solves one of the biggest challenges backpackers face: carrying less while still eating well on the trail. If you're looking for an ultralight stove that earns its place in your backpack, this is absolutely one worth considering. If you found this review helpful, Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and availability. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review.